YouTube, Facebook, what's going on, everybody? This is Mr. Duty Calls. Y'all see where I'm at? We can't even see the sign. Anyway, got this event center, y'all, doing another COVID opening for a business. I'm so thankful to be a part of this process, helping another business reopen and get their life back, man, and get their situation back on track. So let me show you what we got going on. So guys, we doing right around 1,600 square feet of commercial carpeting. They doing a soft reopening here. So we came out, gave them a quote for this room and that room. So since this is the main room that's going to be used, they elected to do this room first. And guys, as you can see, very, very nice area here. Very nice. I have been to a couple of events here. Real nice. I myself will be using this venue when I get ready to do some things business-wise and personal. But I just want to show you guys. You can see here, very nice, very well-maintained facility. We are in the lovely city of Bryant. That's where I'm based out of. This is my city, so we've been focusing a lot more in the Benton, Bryant, Saline County area because this is one of the hot spots in Arkansas to be in or to move in. I know northern Arkansas, Bentonville, and Fayetteville, the numbers are a little bit better, but here, numbers is hot. So I'm gonna get everything all set up, show you the process. All right, guys, so we just vacuumed this half. So when I'm doing something this large, I break it up into sections. So I'm gonna stand over here. I break it up into sections. So I just did this half over here, and I normally go with the door because the door is usually more or less in the center. And so this one here is kind of in the center. So I just divide the room in half according to the door. So I just did that half over there. And now for to do this half. And I just walk a straight line. Walk it. A lot easier to do it this way. Pull it back. And ideally, we're just looking for really bad areas. But you can see we're almost done. We got him, y'all. That little paper that kept flying around there. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish up this room onto the pre-spray. All right, guys, so just finish this half over here. Show you what we got, what we already completed and what we did. So you can see all those stains that was over here, all gone. Customer is super happy with the progress so far. So going forward, let's show you what these stains that's up in this carpet here. You got some here, you know, stuff right here. Just typical staining. This particular place, they do a lot of wedding receptions, so it's a lot of food marks. And so when you're doing this type of cleaning, you typically just want to do it in sections. I don't particularly pre-spray the whole floor because, again, you want your treatment to work for you. Just fan it. All right, guys, it's getting a little difficult. So let me finish up pre-spraying, and then we'll give you some extraction. This heat has been, we got the heat turned up to 225, and you can see it. So that's good old-fashioned steam here. Kick in. Alright, guys, let me use two hands to dry this. Alright, guys, so we're coming out of this room, and everything, I must say, these carpets cleaned up very well. I already know the customer is happy with the service because he has told me numerous times how good the carpets look. So you just want to make sure that we get this doorway here real good, because when you walk in, this is the money shot. And this type of business here that she is in, appearance is key. Everything is visual in the line of business that she's in, so it has to look right. I didn't say what the product we're using. I'm not sure, but anyway, if you guys watch us, you already know we use Soap Daddy Bio 8 on these carpets here. Perfect rinse coming through these lines. And no, I don't boost anything in my products. I know some people do, but I don't. I just feel that there's no need to boost it. Alright guys, everything looking good. Let me finish up here, put everything away, show you afterwards. Alright guys, we're all done. And you can see how well these carpets have cleaned up. We have staining all over here that is gone. It smells fresh in here too. It smells really, really fresh in here. So that is the end of that. We're gonna finish up doing what I gotta do. Liquid filth coming. Hey guys, you know what time it is. It's that liquid filth time. Let's see what we got out of these carpets. There you go. Get that side angle right there. All them parties and weddings is right here in this water. And we got a lot of residue. Look like from other products that's been on there. So, stop it right here. Well, it's mainly the suds. There you have it. Liquid filth at its best right there. Alright guys, so this is the end of our video right here. If you know anybody that may like this content, please share it with them. If this is your first time watching our videos, we appreciate you taking the time out to watch this video. Hit that subscribe button. Give us those thumbs up, guys. That helps our channel grow. Those likes. Let's go for hell, I'm going for it. Let's get 100 shares, 100 likes. Drop comments down in the comments. How can we make this a better cleaning video for you guys? And that is it. It's Sunday. It's time to get out of here. Yes, it is. Soap Daddy Bio 8 is actually cleaning. So we got liquid filth right here in here, and we got liquid filth coming on up on the outside. All right, let me get up out of here. See you guys on the next one. Mr. Duty Calls, Liquid Filth. We out.